Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a curve of a road is shaped like an arc of a circle as shown in this diagram, and we are also given the arc length 35. This is the arc length here that I have highlighted in red. Okay, so the arc length we know already is 35. The angle is 135 degrees, angle at the center. Okay, so 35 is the arc length. Angle at the center is 135 degrees, which is this. We always divide by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. And what is this r? You might wonder. Yes, r is actually the distance of the curve from the center O. So in this case, we are actually trying to find the radius. Okay, and that's why my r will become the distance. And now we are going to substitute all this number in so that you can see how it looks like. So 35 is equals to 100 and times 2 pi r, and the r is something that we need to find. Okay, so this is my arc length, angle at the center, and my radius that we need to find. Okay, well, so step 1, come let's do some algebra. I'm going to divide by 135 over 360 on both sides. So that will leave me with 2 pi r. After that, I also continue to divide by 2 pi on both sides. So that eventually I will get this radius r. And so the radius r will be equals to 14.8545, and finally 14.923 SF. Come, let me make it bigger. And that will be the answer for this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.